knife. Hold on.
What am I gonna need a knife for?
Well, I guess you could just open it by yourself.
It's amazing, Chris.
I got you dog food.
You can open it. Huh. Looks like you have dog food.
What?
I forgot about that.
What? What?
I just put her in a bag. Her name's Lawanda, so
Where did you
Find that?
don't worry about it. Mom, don't tell him.
Goodwill?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Turn it around and show us.
The creepy mannequin
The
head.
first time
Okay,
I
now
showed
show
the dogs,
Xena.
The dog started to bark.
Xena.
Oh my gosh. That's sick.
It's okay, I'll protect you.
What was that?
Sleep.